How many hours a week does a personal chef work? Well, most personal chefs offer meal prep and/or dinner parties. Meal prep is usually Monday through Friday with emphasis on Monday through Wednesday. Dinner parties are often Saturdays and occasionally Friday evenings. Because you work for yourself as a personal chef, you choose what hours you'd like to work, though your hours and days must correspond to client demand. Meal prep will often be in demand during daylight hours on weekdays. When working dinner parties, you'll likely be home by 9:30 p.m. on weekends. When you're not cooking, you may find yourself doing business activities at your desk, such as bookkeeping, researching recipes, or marketing tasks. You can work as many or as few hours as you'd like and your budget allows. Meal prep could be 1 to 3 clients a day, then 2 to 3 small events a week as the maximum. Your hours really depend on the scale of each meal prep event, your physical and mental ability, and client demand. If you're interested in becoming a personal chef, I welcome you to check out the link below at virginiastockwell.com that includes an actionable step-by-step guide to starting a personal chef business.